Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you exactly how you can draw by hand in your PowerPoint presentations. So let us get started. Head over to PowerPoint and access the slide or presentation you would like to edit and customize. And after that, select the slide here on the left hand side you would like to edit. So let me go, for example, with that one here. There's some free space here to leave some drawings. So what you want to do, guys, is switch from the Home tab to Draw here and select the drawing tool here to the right, like a pen, for example, or a pencil, a marker, and so on and so forth. So let me go for simple pen and simply start drawing by hand, like in Paint, for example, or Photoshop, and so on and so forth. So let me draw something like that. So that's actually it, guys. However, if you'd like to customize your pen or drawing tool, you may do that by clicking on that arrow down icon next to the given drawing tool and change or adjust, for example, the thickness. So let me go, for example, with that adjustment here. And after that, you may also change the color, switch from black, standard black, to, I don't know, yellow. And yeah, simply keep drawing by hand. And that's how you do it, guys. As you can see, it is very simple. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.